This is me 2 years ago, and this is me right now. Hello, guys, my name is Harsh, and I am 18 years old. Before we dive in, let me take you back to the time when I was dealing with a lot of insecurities about my appearance. I look all of my friends, and they were extremely good looking. I felt like I needed a change, and that's when I stumbled upon the concept of mewing and other scientifically backed practices. I want to be transparent about the fact that I was never comfortable with the way how I looked. It pushed me to explore different ways, so I started my journey by researching and understanding the science behind it. I came across all over YouTube and watched almost hundreds of videos, read a lot of articles in Google, and then I started to apply it on myself. 2 years ago, I started this journey, and this is where it all began. I came to know that mewing is not just placing your tongue at the roof of your mouth. There are a lot of factors in it. As we all know that our ancestors used to live in the forest, and those cavemen have to eat whatever they got from hard fruits to raw meat. That's why their jaw tend to execute extreme amount of force, and in human body the jaw muscle is the strongest muscle, which can generate up to bite force of 200 psi. So the jaw structure of people was very strong and attractive back then. But nowadays we used to consume fast foods, soft drinks, etc., which destroys the alignment of jaw and you look fucking ugly. Let us take an example of UFC fighters. They have a very strong bone structure, which makes them very attractive because they usually chew mouth guard during their practice and matches. So if you wanted to fix your face, then it's very important for you to start working on it. I started working on my face at the age of 16, and if you are a teenager, then you can change the shape of your face completely in few years. But if you are in your 20s, then it would be quite different for you without surgery. And the key point here is the anatomy of my face was not disturbed because the lack of mewing. Because I don't eat any fast food and I used to eat lot of fruits like apples, walnuts, etc. But I was mouth breathing, due to which my face was in a bad shape. So you should immediately stop this bad habit, as it will completely destroy your looks. To get rid of this, I started to put tape on my mouth before sleeping properly. Then I started doing workout and skincare, and I also lose all the facial fluid effectively. And after all that struggle, this is me now, and I have improved a lot.